Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I want to show you this hairstyle that I call a faux French braid. I did it on myself, and the first thing I always do is I brush my hair so that it's not tangling while I'm styling it. So you see I have the diagonal parting like always, and I make a triangle shape in the front, taking the first section of hair combing it backwards using some hairspray because I have many short baby hairs in the front. Grab it, take a tiny elastic and just wrap it around, then make a gap in the middle and flip the little ponytail to the front and bring it through to the back. Then pull tight. Make the second section parallel to the first one. So it's again a triangle that is a bit wider than the one we did in the front. Baby hairs I'm leaving out, so they are covering the little gaps that I have by the sides. Grab the hair, take another tiny elastic, wrap it around. Remember not to wrap it too many times around, we just don't want it to snap. Then make another hole, flip the ponytail, the new one, the second one, to the front, bring it through the little gap and pull it tight. Now it looks already like a French braid. Now we're going to make the third section. I take a lightly rounded shape now, just because my hairline is like this. Always try to follow your natural hairline. That means try to find out how your hair is falling and then respect the way your hair falls. I make a third ponytail, and this time I don't tighten it. I bring the ponytail from the back to the front, so the other way around. With these two strands I'm using again some hairspray because there are shorter hairs that we combine with the hairspray. Now I'm doing some rope twist braid. So just twist the strand in one direction and bring it over to the opposite direction. And then I'm making a little bun. Wrap the rope twisted braid around the base of the last ponytail. Then wrap it into place and use some bobby pins. I just used 3 here to keep everything in place. That is the final result. I like it because it's easy and quick to do. Looks like I could braid my own hair. You know I can, but perhaps you can't. Hope you like it and see you back soon very fast. Bye bye.